This is Realme GT2, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enable the higher or ultra resolution mode in the camera of this device. So that's a relatively simple procedure to execute. You just gotta find the 50M camera mode. Usually it is brought to the list of default modes over here, but if you cannot find it, just go into more section and, well, open it from here. And while at the high resolution mode, you basically trade off extra storage space for higher quality and higher level of detail pictures, and, well, higher resolutions obviously as well. Those photos are being taken at the 50 megapixels if you are interested in that, or if it wasn't apparent from the name of this little camera mode. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.